All right, let's look at the homework 3.11, problem number 4. All right, so we want to prove one of those identities. Let's see, this equation. So this is the guy we want to prove. All right, so let's do that. All right, so start with y equals hyperbolic tangent inverse. Then we can rewrite it so that so we're going to rewrite it using just the hyperbolic tangent. So this is going to be x equals hyperbolic tangent of y, right, which can be written as a hyperbolic sine over hyperbolic cosine. That's just a definition. And using the definition here, it's e to the y minus e to the negative y over 2, right? So that's just the definition of a hyperbolic sine. All right, then you can cancel out the twos on top and bottom, and then we're going to multiply e to the y. So you're going to get this guy right here, right? Then what you do is multiply both sides by e to the 2y plus 1. So, and also, let's see. So multiply both sides by e to the 2y plus 1. So it's going to be left-hand side is x times that. You get the left-hand side here. Then right-hand side is just a numerator. So we have that, right? Then move things around. So negative 1 goes over to the left. You have positive 1 plus x. And then this guy moves over to the other side, becomes negative x to the 2y. And you have e to the 2y still there. So you have e to the 2y, right? Then since e to the 2y is in common, so pull it out. So you have 1 minus x there. And then divide through by 1 minus x to get e to the y. And then we take the natural log of both sides. You get 2y. Then you have natural log of that. And divide through by that. You get the 1 over 2 natural log of x, 1 plus x over, oops, sorry, that's not what I want to do. 1 plus x over 1 minus x, right? So we have that, and I just need a big, I need a parenthesis here, all right? So that was the identity, all right? So part B, let's actually check the answer first. All right, I came back. Looks like we got all of these at part A correctly. All right, so let's look at part B. All right, using the method of previous equations. So what's the previous equation? All right, so it's 1 plus hyperbolic tan over 1 minus hyperbolic tan e to the 2x. Okay, so we're going to use that. So it's going to be 1 minus hyperbolic tangent of y. All right, oops. So hyperbolic tangent of y, right? So we have that. And, oh, actually, I forgot to do this one. Let's see. So this is going to be just a regular hyperbolic tangent of y there, right? So you use that identity there. So you have e to the 2y is equal to that. All right, then actually it's pretty easy from there because we just take the natural log of both sides. You get that and divide through by 2. So it's a 1/2 natural log of we have to have a fraction there, so you have a 1 plus x over 1 minus x, right? So let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got the part B correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.